Welcome back to another day in the life, guys. I'm glad to be back on this camera. I haven't recorded in a couple of days because of work, but now we're back. We're gonna be uploading for the next 4 days straight, and we're gonna see how we do. Today is a low impact news Monday, and it's not gonna really do much to the markets today. But I did go mark up my charts already. I did mark out my highs and lows, and let's just get right into the trading session. All right, so we did market our levels on NQ, and we have 4 minutes till market open. We are overall bearish today because we have this big sell-off right here. If you guys can see, we have a big sell-off on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So we're overall bearish. We have bearish market structure. So I didn't even go ahead and mark out the lows. I just went ahead and marked out the highs. So we're gonna see what happens. We still got 3 minutes till market open. Let's try to catch trades today. So just came to my senses. Realistically, price is not gonna come all the way back here. Maybe not even here realistically. I'm gonna go off this low resistance liquidity sweep, and actually we did get a 5-minute retrace right now. Okay, so let me explain everything right now because everything just happened so fast. Okay, so I said that in the last clip, I said that we're gonna wait for liquidity or for price to hit one of these liquidity targets. So came to my senses, realistically, price is not gonna go up to those areas because how far down price is, right? It's just common sense. So we do take out low resistance liquidity. We do get a 5-minute retrace at this green candle, and we are getting in a 5-minute fair value gap. I wasn't going off the 5-minute fair value gap. So right here, this is our 5-minute retrace from here to this point right here. We get into a 1-minute fair value gap. We did end up breaking structure on this side right here, this candle. We did break structure on that candle, even this candle, but we did end up breaking structure before that. We did get the fair value gap fill. We did get moves out of it, and yeah, so this would be the trade of the day. Liquidity would be at a 1 to 2 at this low, and we already are in profit, as you guys can see. Market is dumping down, so I'm glad that I caught myself saying, why would price want to go all the way up here and then make a move down if it already swept out low resistance liquidity? You know what I mean? It already swept out all these low resistance liquidity, all those. So why would price want to go all the way back up and make its move for the day, and then I'm not going to catch a retracement because it's already made the move for the day? So this to me looks like a perfect setup. So right now we're chopping at the 1 minute. So what I would do to be safe if I was unfunded, this move stop loss to break even. Okay, I would move my stop loss to break even. I do not care if I go back up to break even. It's better than a losing day because it is so choppy here. It has a lot of resistance at this level, so it is so choppy. So stop loss would be at break even right now, a risk-free trade. You don't want to lose when it's not necessary to lose. There's no reason to lose if you can prevent it. So stop loss is a break even. This is a risk-free trade. I wouldn't take profit yet until TP2. That's just me. You should be taking profit at TP1 at a 1 to 1, and then taking the finalized profits at a TP2. But for me, I would hold it, and stop loss would be at break even. Anyway, this is why we put stop loss to break even. It was a pretty good trade. We were up 1 to 1. Should have took profit here, but I'm not gonna take profit there. We did break even. Okay, so we do have these fair value gaps here. We did make 1, 2, 3, and this 4th can be counted as well. We did end up sweeping low resistance liquidity, but not in the 1 minute, but on the 5-minute, and we did end up breaking structure after this consolidation spot. Now we're moving up, and like I said, it was unrealistic for price to come up here, or like I said, but it looks like it is gonna come up there. So we just want to catch the move up there. All right, so we are in another trade. but going long this time. We did end up breaking structure after this 5-minute liquidity sweep. Here we ended up breaking structure. We have big moves up, and then we ended up going into this fair value gap here, getting moves out of that fair value gap now. So we are going to be in that trade if we were in a funded. So my last clip of me explaining this trade got recorded in slow motion. So before I do that, what's it called? Yeah, so got this fair value gap. We had the entry here, we broke structure down here, we swept out 5-minute liquidity. I'm lying, I think it was low resistance liquidity. I think it was a 15-minute liquidity, but we did sweep it, we did break structure. And I explained that this trade could have went either way. It could have went had reactions out of the fair value gap and then plummeted down into these gaps, and I would have got stopped out, or like it did today, it played out and we won today in our favor. But for me, this was like a perfect trade. If I would have lost here, it would have been done for the day. So it's just all about discipline and just trusting the process. All right, so we did finish the trading session up, and we did catch a W. We did have one trade break even, and we did catch one trade as a W, hit full TP. And yeah, I mean, it ended the 3-week drought of me losing. But just because we won one day doesn't mean we can hop on straight into a funded. We have to at least have 2 or maybe 1 or 2 weeks of green so we can hop back on a funded. By January though, I should be back on a funded though by 2025 January. So we're gonna see what happens. But now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead, do some laundry. We're gonna go ahead and hit the gym, and we're gonna go ahead and make some food. But we're gonna see where the day takes us. Let's just stay productive. Let's just stay active. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, that last clip was recorded I think a couple hours ago. It is 3 o'clock already now. I've been back testing, I've been editing. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do laundry today. Fuck that. We're gonna go straight to the gym after I'm done editing this part of the section of the video. This is probably gonna be most of the video, but after I'm done editing this video, this section of the video, I'm gonna continue back testing, eat some food, and we're gonna head straight to the gym. Just came back from the gym now. I'm gonna finish editing up this video. But today was a real work day. I got the trading done, got the back testing done. Back testing was mostly all day. It took most of my day up, but got the back testing done, got the gym done. We stayed productive, we stayed active. That's the most important part. But this is where I'm gonna end it off here. If you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.